Saan kayo ya?
Po.
Ha?
Cavite po.
Saan sa Cavite? Saan sa Cavite?
Rosario po.
Ano ba? Anong banyo? Anong yung gamit nyo pag...
Mana po.
Compressor?
Opo.
Compressor? Bawal kasi dito.
Hindi nyo alam na bawal yan? Okay, tablong. Sa atin, sabu.
Yan.
Yes.
Yan, mayroon pa kami
What the name?
loro.
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 Laurel.
The Philippines, sir. I don't know.
So is this where you spear it here? This is where the spear goes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, what's the name?
Tambol.
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 Cebu danggit.
This is the spear here, right? Oh, look at this one.
Woo.
Yeah. Same, sir.
Same.
This is pretty fish, eh?
Say
So
the name of that
you-
one first.
So these fish are not on the bottom, eh? These fish are up. So the fish are, or are they fishing on the bottom? Fish on the bottom here, or above the bottom?
Bottom.
So you're on the bottom is 120 is 20 fathoms here. That's a long way down. How many divers? How many in the water?
Two people.
Two in the water, and then oh, so you like follow them? Yeah, okay. This is a tough way to make a living, eh? So they have two guys in the water, and then two guys on top, eh? Four of you?
Yes.
Two guys on top paddling around above the divers. This is a tough living.
Ayan.
He's like a...
M16.
Rifle. Sir, do not ano diyan.
Wait, tama.
Oh, so
Sorry,
yeah,
pull.
okay. Yeah.
So how's
Man, this is the craziest looking spear gun you'll ever see. So what he's got, so the rubber is fixed onto there, onto the back of the spear. So he pulls it back. He's got a trigger mechanism. Like, that's clever.
It's fast action, huh?
I don't want to shoot anyone.
Yes.
So you got to be closer, like within maybe one meter, 1 meter from here to the fish,
Yes, sir.
because it won't go past there. Eh? This is the maximum. Yeah, okay. So they got to be pretty close. So and the fish is in the coral, like in the corals on the sand. Well, you got a decent shot of this. Mm-hmm. That is a cool gun, eh? Like I don't like the fact they spearfish in a marine reserve, but you got to admire the ingenuity to make these things. Okay.
Cavite na.
So from here, so you guys can stay here overnight, but do not come back here with the spearfishing, because it's not so good. And if we see you again here, it's a big problem. On the drive shaft. So this is your motor hook. Oh, I see. So it's quite clever. So they got the diesel engine here. And this is their compressor with these hoses that goes out to the divers. And they put this fan belt on, runs the compressor, and the divers in the water. This
It's my flashlight.
the flashlight.
Wow.
Para hindi masagasaan yung hose.
5 pieces.
How many?
5.
5.
Jogging
He's
pants.
got 5 layers on this.
6.
Holy shit. It's
Very cold.
for keeping
Water.
warm. Ah, okay. So he's got a 5-layer wetsuit. This is the gangster one. Holy shit.
Clip.
There we go, there's a weight belt. Is it?
Hey, show me the belt again.
Is it?
Show me the belt.
So this is the weight belt. So they've got sinkers on it.
Po yung ano sa
Ariya, hoy. Your clip. Yeah.
Ah, I see. And so this is
Yes.
like this?
Yes.
Holy, this is gangster. And so the weight belt, wetsuit, the mask. Oh, it says, there's no way this would seal, so they must have positive air coming in. So you breathe out your nose. How does it It's no seal, eh?
No.
So water keeps coming in.
Mouth. You like smoking? Oh, this one.
So it's
Then
like,
hose. Yeah.
so then the hose is here.
Yes.
Where's my hose?
Of course.
Oh, it's okay. But I don't get why this doesn't leak. Does water come in here or not? They're thinking I'm retarded here. But this one here,
Yes.
I got this right here. I got
Then
Bethune.
flashlight. Yeah.
I've got my white belt on.
Yeah.
This is gangster, eh? Oh, so these on like this?
Yes.
What's it made of?
So it's a fiberglass. By the looks. Fiberglass with some rubber and some bolts. Pretty ingenious, these guys, eh?
Bawal mong isda. Pag tulog lang po, okay lang po. Okay. Okay lang sa kanila.
Sige po sir, pasensya na po kayo, hindi po kasi namin alam eh.
Sige.
Sige po, thank you po.
Okay, ayos?
Apo,
Sige.
sabihan na rin po namin yung ibang ano namin.
Oo. Ibang mga kasama nyo, pakisabi na lang.
Apo.